Slimline Warehouse is proud to present our dual-sided heavy-duty waterproof A-board. An affordable outdoor sidewalk sign to promote your brand and increase foot traffic, come rain, hail or shine. This durable design is considered Australia's toughest street sign. Want to see why? The durable sidewalk display is made from roto-molded plastic, offering a lightweight design to easily move between desired locations. Just fill the stand with water or sand to improve stability so that the unit doesn't get blown over in strong weather conditions. Featuring molded safety corners and no sharp edges, this effective outdoor display complies with all council OH&S regulations so that you can promote outside your restaurant, bar, realtor or retail store or special event carefully. These A-frames include 2 custom graphic boards printed on Corflute. The pavement display requires no tools for placing the graphics into the stand, as they slide easily into aluminium channels. This low-cost sign can be used as a single or double-sided display, providing you with different options when promoting your company. Available in black or silver, this design is exclusive to Slimline Warehouse. Order online today before 2 p.m. and receive same-day dispatch to anywhere in Australia.